Typhoon.
Fire.
Earthquake.
And droughts. When this disaster happened, will you be ready or will you ever survive? Let us discuss on how will you be safe before, during, and after the disasters. A disaster often follows natural hazard. A disaster severity depends on how much impact a hazard has on society and the environment. The scale of the impact internally depends on the choices related to how we grow our food, where and how we build our home, what kind of government we have, how our financial system works, and even what we teach in schools. Each decisions and action makes us more vulnerable to disaster and more resilient to them. Reducing exposure to hazard, lessening vulnerability of people and property, wise management of land and the environment, and improving preparedness and early warning for adverse events are all examples of disaster risk reduction that can help us to be safe.
Good day everyone. I'm Zildjian Aguillon, and for today we are going to talk about the cause and effect of the earthquake and house fire and how we can prepare for it. Cause. The surface of the earth is like a jigsaw puzzle. It is not just a single piece of land, but approximately 20 pieces of a puzzle that constantly move. Each one of those puzzle pieces are called tectonic plates. So whenever those plates hit, back or slide past another plate, an earthquake causes. We are all aware that the effects of an earthquake are terrible and devastating. Preparedness. Purchase earthquake kit and supplies. Customize earthquake kit. Replace expired items. Make an earthquake preparedness plan and secure hazards. Cause. An accidental fire can ignite with frightening unpredictability, spread uncontrollably in seconds, and can decimate a home within a few minutes. Here are some causes of the house fire. Cooking-related fires, heating appliances, electrical fires, candles, and chemical fires. Have an actionable fire plan. Never leave a room with an open flame. Have at least one fire extinguisher. Embrace the stop, drop, and roll. And the last one is don't panic and confine fires as fast as possible.
Typhoon is a massive storm that forms over areas, ocean water are warm and tropical. Typhoons bring strong winds and heavy rain. Typhoon cause major flooding which can drown animals and destroy natural habitats. Cause of flood is heavy rain is the simplest cause of flooding. When there is too much rain or it happens too fast that it just isn't the place for it to go, this can result in flooding like flash flooding. It can have devastating effects of your community. There are actually many dangerous flooding effects besides physical danger. Floods also cause economic and social problems. Preparedness during typhoon and flood.
The first aid kit is used to give first aid to the wounded or injured person. First aid kit should be seen in every house in case of emergency. The importance of this, it will be primary type of medication, can occur in any patients. It contains common uses such as cotton, betadine, alcohol, plaster, bandages, scissor, and so on.
In case there will be a sudden disaster, the first thing you do is to stay calm and prepare the valuable things you need like water, first aid kit, whistle, flashlight, batteries, radio, and food that will help you to survive for at least 4 to 7 days. If there is a signal, always updated in news to know the alerts and warnings. And always be ready to go and find shelter or safe zone. Also add the following item to your emergency supply kit, such as ID, important documents, warm blankets, soap and sanitizer, and also clothes.
We may die in disasterness, yet we will live in readiness.